Good morning everybody. So I thought I would start this self-care day slash vlog off with just me in bed, because this is normally how it goes. And I just have to say, I got these really fluffy teddy bear duvet covers and pillowcases from Dunelm, and they are so cozy. Like, if you're a really hot sleeper, I'd probably say like stay away, like avoid it, but I'm a really cold sleeper. I sleep with my hot water bottle like every night, so these have been amazing. It's like, you know, like teddy bear, fluffy, comfy, cozy. Oh, it's just getting into like a big warm teddy bear bed. It's amazing. So would recommend that as well, because it's really nice on the skin and it makes you feel really comforting, like comforted and stuff. So I would recommend that. But on a self-care day, I would normally stay in bed as long as I possibly want. I kind of like give myself time and have a little bit more of like a flexibility when it comes to getting out of bed. So it's currently 9 o'clock. I don't normally sleep in too late anyway. I think like the longest I go is like 10:30ish. But yeah, I just kind of let myself get out of bed when I'm ready and then start my day when I want to. I feel like it is important for a self-care day just to kind of do it at your own pace and take your own time with things, and don't rush things, and just, yeah, set yourself some tasks to do for the day, but also keep yourself in that flow of calm energy. It's the only day that I do stay calm. I'm going to make myself a hot drink now. I would either get a decaf cup of tea with some oat milk, or some honey, or super honey because it's got vitamin C and stuff in, and ginger tea. So I think I'm going to have the honey and ginger tea this morning with my homemade granola, and we'll have a tea a bit later. Also, I forgot to mention, I have a super exciting package coming later on. So I'm going to finally be able to get around to doing my nails, because I have the Mylee Full Works kit coming and it's arriving a little bit later. So I'm going to be able to do my nails and transform them so they stop looking like a hot mess. I also do treat myself on a self-care day. So that's whether like when it comes to food. So I will either have some chocolate, some crisps, I will make a cake, or like do something that gives me a little bit of like an endorphin kick when it comes to food. So yeah, I normally like chocolate buttons, my little milk chocolate bars. So yeah, I like doing things like that. So then after I've eaten my breakfast, I really like to take like a morning bath. I know it sounds really weird, but there's nothing that beats like a bath when the sun is out and like the day is here. I always feel like it hits differently than having a bath in the evenings. I feel like when you have a bath in the evenings, it's to unwind, whereas when you have like a bath during the day, it's just like zen and super chill anyway. So I do prefer it. So I'm going to run myself a bath. I'm just going to use some Sanex bubble bath, and I'm just going to wash my hair and just have like a super nice calming wash and just kind of like a cleanse.
No, we don't try to impress.
So some people will find this mental, some people will be like, yep, me same. But I actually don't moisturize my body every time I get out of the shower, which is really bad, but I always kind of just do this on my self-care days. The body kind of creams that I like is this Moroccan Oil body one. I like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream by Sol de Janeiro. Is that it? Sol de Janeiro? I think it is. And then Aveeno. Can't get better than this oldie but a goodie. So I think today I'm going to use my Bum Bum cream, and I'm just going to pop this all over my body. It smells incredible. Like, honestly, I've smelled nothing like this before.
No, we don't try to impress.
Then I actually quite like to spray the tiniest little bit of perfume, like one spritz of perfume. This just makes me feel better. I feel like because it smells really good and it reminds me of like memories and like good old times, I like to spray this. I love putting on a fresh pair of pajamas, and I got these from Nasty Girl and I absolutely love them. I've got another pair as well, so I'm going to put these on with my slipper socks, and I love my nice clean fluffy comfy dressing gown. I like to wear anything cozy and comfortable that I can lounge about in all day. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to straighten my hair. I always feel like straightening my hair just makes me feel like a little bit more presentable, and just I feel nicer. My hair feels more like luxurious than when it's just blow dried.
The stillness frees our mind. You don't have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much.
So I've just received a really exciting package, and this is going to be an integrated ad right now. I have used this brand before. I actually purchased a at-home nail kit by them via Amazon before, but this is their new up-to-date kit, which I can't wait to use. So I will get it out and show you guys, and this is what I'm going to be using to transform these ugly ass nails. So this brand is called Mylee, if you haven't heard of them before. So you've got the lint-free wipes here, some cuticle pushers, the nail file, nail and cuticle oil. You've got a buffer. I think this is a buffer, I'm not sure. Then we've got some autumn and spring and summer colours, which I cannot wait to have a look at. This is their autumn colours. And then we've got their Mylee Pro Salon Series LED lamp, fast flawless cure. So this is super quick. This is actually like 3 times quicker than the other one that I got. So I'm really excited. We'll do a before and after of my nails as well. I'll show you how hideous they are right now. This is absolutely incredible at taking like old gel off your nails, and then also wiping your nails over to make sure they're clean. So I'm going to start prepping the nails, and I can't wait to do this. So I'm still a little bit nervous about going to nail salons and stuff at this time, so I've been much preferring doing my nails at home. I just feel more comfortable doing it at home. Obviously, I'm not the best at doing my own nails, but I feel like if I can do it, anyone else can do it. This professional kit is actually much cheaper than I would expect. Like for this professional UV lamp, it's £42, which I really don't think is expensive at all. I feel like when you go to the nail salon, you obviously pay around £20 to £30 each time you go. This kit obviously comes with instructions, which I found super helpful. I just want to tell you that they have been super kind and have given you guys a discount code. So if you do want to pick yourself up a Mylee kit, then the code to use is Mylee Amy, and I'll put it on screen here, and you get 10% off the full kit or whatever you buy. The code only lasts until the 30th of September, so you don't have long to grab it if you do really want to get yourself an at-home nail kit. I think I'm going to use Californian Love from the winter collection. Also going to take the base coat and then also the top coat. These are my nails to begin with, and they are going to be transformed. I'm going to just file them and kind of prep them off camera, and then I'll come back on and show you when I'm painting them and doing all the fun stuff. So whilst I do my nails, I'm also going to put some music on. So I've got like a really, I would say, lame music taste. I like songs like this.
You got your issues, and get that, but so do I.
Also, just remember that top coat is super important, and you want to go like around the edges of the nails because that will stop it from peeling. Top coat makes your nails look super shiny as well, which I love. And then cure for 60 seconds at the end. So then to take away the stickiness, you have to use your nail prep and polish, and you wipe over the nail, and it just takes the stickiness away and then keeps that shine. Then I'm just going to take some cuticle oil and just apply this on the cuticles. Now that my nails are freshly painted, I absolutely love them, and I love this colour. It's absolutely gorgeous. I am going to read a book. So you want to find something that works for you where you can completely take your mind off of everything that's going on in your life. The only thing that I find is reading for me. I can completely cut off all reality and read like a fictional or non-fictional book. I will go and get some of my recommendations. So I don't know if you guys watched After on Netflix, but it's like a teen like rom-com, and I really wanted to watch the second film, but it's not out on Netflix yet. It's in theatres, but again, like I'm not comfortable going to the cinema, so I ended up buying the whole collection, and I'm going to read book was movie number 1 but book number 1 after, just so then I can go on to book number 2, because books are always better than movies. So I'm going to read this today. Movie was fantastic, so if you haven't seen it, I would highly recommend it. And then these are little kind of like feel-good books. So I've got Good Vibes, Good Life, which is actually Koshal's husband Vex King. He wrote this book, so I'm loving it so far. And then also I've started A Little Peace of Mind, and it's for anxiety and stress. So these two I recommend. And then also the film was amazing, so I'm guessing the book's going to be even better. So I'm going to sit out in the sun. So if it's sunny, I do try and like to get out in the sun, get some vitamin D on me, and I'm going to read this book. I'm also going to go to Mum's because I feel like this is really important, but petting a pet, I know it sounds really silly, but like whenever I see Mum's dogs, Charlie and Rue, they just make me feel so good. Like they just want love and they just want cuddles. So I highly recommend that if you do have anyone who has pets and you're a lover of pets, then definitely go and pet one. And if you have dogs or cats yourself, like you're very lucky, and just sit there and have a cuddle with them, because I feel like it just makes you feel really good.
Hello, 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 hello. It's a little baby girl. I miss you.
And then next, what I like to do is eat some chocolate, snuggle into my blanket, and watch some Netflix. So that's either a series or a film, just to kind of chill out and relax. The question is, do you put the chocolate in the fridge or no? I do. So also I can go on about a lot of different things that makes you feel calm and less anxious and is good for the body, and that is meditation. So I don't do this every day, and I don't do this every self-care day, but I will do like a body scan. So like you can just YouTube body scan meditation, and I will do something like that, which does calm the mind, but it doesn't like send you to sleep. I used to do Joe Dispenza's meditations, which are amazing, but you have to like have 45 minutes to burn to like do his meditations, because they are quite long. So I do find it quite hard to concentrate for 45 minutes without falling asleep. So I have been doing more body scan stuff on YouTube. The other thing that I really enjoy doing, which puts me in a really good mood, is actually going through old memories. It kind of makes me sort of sad, but not in like a bad way. It's like a nostalgic way. And I love going through like all my Ibiza trips with the girls when we went to Vegas and Mexico. I love watching videos from night outs that are funny and like just me being silly, and it just kind of makes me feel good. It makes me think like I will have that back one day, and you know, hopefully it's not going to be like this forever. So
this is my yacht. This is my yacht. I've had enough. I've had enough.
Yeah, so I feel like that is just a really nice way to end this kind of self-care day. There is a lot more things I could talk about, but realistically this is the main things that I actually do myself. So I do hope that this video has been helpful in any way, shape or form, and I hope you like my new nails. Don't forget that I do have that code, so if you do want to grab something, please use it because they gave it to you guys especially. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys really like this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!